How to remove Google account from Samsung Galaxy A56, but not only A56, this tutorial will also work for all the Galaxy devices because the software is just same. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started and jump right into the video. Removing your Google account from Samsung Galaxy A56 or any of the other device is fairly simple. It doesn't have to be A56 because the process to remove is same on all the Galaxy devices. So to remove a certain Google account, open up settings on your Samsung device. Once you open up Settings app on a Samsung Galaxy device, go to the option Accounts and Backup and then just tap on it. From Accounts and Backup, go to the option that says Manage Accounts and tap on it again. Then from Manage Account, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and select a certain account that you wish to remove. Then tap the Remove Account button to be able to remove it. Similarly, you can go ahead and select another Google account, then tap the Remove Account button to remove it. That's all it takes to be able to go ahead and then remove Google account from Galaxy device. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.